AAK have launched to the market a new VTX. It's a brand new product that it's capable of, all the features we have reviewed in the past videos, in the past products, plus a DVR recording feature. So we can now have our 1000 milliwatts of transmitting power plus DVR recording into a microSD card inside of our device. So we have a backup of our DVR footage, cleaner because we're not getting the distortion or breakouts of the signal because it is recording straight from the camera, and we are having all the other features that we like as the 1000 milliwatts power, which is great. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is it. Remember, I forgot to tell you the name of this product. It's the Infinite DVR VTX. And it says it's right here, Infinite DVR VTX. That's the new product from AAK and it's looking very good. Let's take it and see what's in it. This is a mountable, stackable, or whatever I want to call it, board. So you can mount it on top of your flight controller, power distribution board, or whatever you have in your stack. So it has the MNCX antenna connector. Let's see what else we have in here. Yeah, we have the adapter, the antenna connector adapter. And the antenna connector is called MMCX. So it's a very unique style of mounting your antenna. You can just plug this here very easily, and then you can bend this whatever way you want and put your antenna. It could be a pagoda antenna or whatever antenna you want. So it is very nice because it's flexible and stuff. We have two buttons here. One is to set up the power output and channels, and the other one is to record and stop recording. And here we have our SD card slot, micro SD card slot. So it accepts up to 32 gigabytes micro SD cards, and the video recorded on them, it's 640 by 480 pixels at 30 frames per second. So let's wire this up. And by the way, all the functions, all the other stuff are the same as the other boards, as the Ultimate boards. This is one of them. This can reach up to 600 milliwatts, but it's really, really small. And I have this board in another review that I will leave in the description. I also have this other one, which is the FX2 Ultimate Mini. Very good as well. And it has the same features. You see it has smart audio. Well, this one has 12 volts output, this one doesn't, but it has 5 volt output, and of course the video in and ground, and then 7 to 26 volts input. This one also has 7 to 26 volts input. So they're very similar, or pretty much the same. The difference is that this one has the microSD card slot for recording video. It also have a little microphone. I hope you can see it. This little microphone here will be recording the sound to your video file in the microSD card, and the sound is pretty good. I was doing some tests before, but I will show you right now. Let's do some tests and I'll show you how the quality of the video and audio is while you are recording on a microSD card. Okay, so here we have a temporary connection of all the things, my camera, the transmitter, and here I have another video receiver separate from my transmitter, so we can transmit from the antenna and record at the same time and test that functionality. And to record on a microSD card, I'm going to use this 16 gigabyte microSD card. So we can use up to 32 gigabytes microSD cards on this device, and that way we will have a lot of storage to record videos in it. And this will be recording a video of 640 by 480 pixels at 30 frames per second. So let's put the microSD card in this and I will recommend you to do this while the unit is not power on, otherwise you will have problems recognizing the microSD card. So we'll put that in, and that's it. So now we are going to power this thing on. There we go. Now let's power the video receiver. And here we go, we have our camera video signal going through. So yeah, this is a very normal setup where we are transmitting video, but let's test then this video recording function, DVR. So let's just press this for 2 seconds and we will start recording. 1 and 2. And after that you will see that this little LED, let's zoom in here. So now you see that this LED is blinking, and that means that we're recording. So let's see how this looks like on camera. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to this test. Welcome to this test where I'm just shooting with this camera and also with this camera. And because we have a microphone built in the board, we can hear what I'm saying, and this will be recorded. The audio and the video and audio will be recorded in the same file, synchronized. So if I do this, you can hear it very synchronized. I was doing a test before, so let's stop this recording. I was doing a test before, and for 2 minutes, the video file was 62.2 megabytes of size. So that's a fair amount of megabytes per minute. And in a 16 gigabyte card, you will have a lot of storage to make your videos, FPV videos. If you intend to use this for other applications like spying or something like that, well, you might consider using a 32 gigabytes microSD card, because that will give you the maximum space. Another important tip while you're using the DVR function is to stop recording before you power off your quad. Otherwise you will lose all the files or the recording. So just make sure that you just press the button and stop recording before you move on to the next battery or whatever changes you want to do. So anyway, this is it. I'm gonna start recording again to say goodbye. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye.